Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start in London where, according to new figures published today, the number of jobs created by tech startups has increased by 77%. Since 2006, the number of digital tech businesses has risen by 44% compared to a 23% lift across all types of industry, with tech startups' contribution to the economy up by a third. The data published by London & Partners show that the capital has stormed ahead, with GVA from tech doubling in the last 10 years. In Brexit news, the German government has been advised to denounce Brexit in upcoming talks and takes the stance that the best outcome from negotiations would be no Brexit at all. The Council of Economic Experts has warned Angela Merkel's government that if the UK left the EU, not only would it mean an economic loss, but the absence of the UK will lead to a much wider political mess. In one of yesterday's biggest announcements, the US Federal Reserve voted to leave interest rates on hold ahead of the upcoming presidential election, but the stage remains set for a rate hike in December, with signs that the US economy is picking up. Facebook announced positive third quarter figures yesterday, with total revenue up by 56% year-on-year, coupled with diluted earnings per share of 82 cents, a 165% increase on the same period last year. However, despite exceeding expectations, shares in the social media giant fell by 6% as the company announced that growth is likely to slow down in future quarters. In commodity news, oil prices slipped yesterday after the US announced their largest ever weekly stockpile increase of crude oil. Prices fell by almost $6 per barrel in both the US and international crude. The decline comes as Iraq, one of the world's biggest oil producers, stated that it did not want to be part of an OPEC production cut deal. The OPEC meeting has experienced a number of stumbling blocks, leading to investors to grow ever more pessimistic about the conclusion of an agreement. In corporate news, Credit Suisse has just reported a surprise profit of 41 million Swiss francs. In upcoming data, 10 a.m. Eurozone unemployment rate for September is announced. At 12 p.m, clear your schedule. It's Super Thursday. The Bank England will deliver its quarterly inflation report, followed by Mark Carney's speech at 12:30 p.m. And at 1:45 p.m, the US market PMI composite for October is announced. Thank you for listening.